Howdy, Possum Patty here, little TT2. And guess what arrived in the mail today? The orange package from Temu. Come on along. Well, sometimes I think I must live under a rock here at Soggy Bottom in the woods, because I didn't know that Temu had crafting supplies. Yes, they do. And let's see what I've got from Temu. And that is it. Sorry for all the crinkling. So the very first thing that you could see was on the top here. I took the plastic off. Is this wonderful organizer, and it is 4 compartments by 6 compartments, or 24 compartments. I will put a link to everything and what they cost below in the description. And these have removable slides, so you can change the size of them. And I was thinking about making a ransom letter box like Janet Nash has. Now, I thought maybe hers, I believe, is a cardboard box maybe, and she made compartments in it. So I had taken out the shoe box to do that, but that was like a little bit too tall maybe, and it's going to be too hard to make little dividers. I could have done it, I guess, but I guess this is a lazy man's way out, right? And it just did not cost much. I will link everything and their prices below again. So ransom letters, this is from a children's book, is you just go through like a magazine or a newspaper, something like that, and you cut out the letters, and then you put them in here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, L, M, N, R, M, and L, M, N goes there, and like that. And so these little compartments are about 1.5 inches by 1 3/4 inches, which I figure is big enough for anything you're going to use in a journal anyway. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Like that. And so then when you go do your journaling and you might want a word, but instead of looking for a particular word, you can spell out the word with your ransom letters. So all kinds of letters can be used. And this is only 24, so I know, but I can put like X, Y, and Z in a compartment and maybe put some numbers in one compartment. So I am looking forward to going through my magazines and book pages, A, B, like that. And having this, and I like it that it has a clear lid, so I can see what's in there. Of course, if you put them the right way, then you can see what's in there, like that. All right, so that's my first item. A clear plastic organizer with 24 compartments, 1.5 inches by 1 3/4 inches, perfect size to do a ransom letter box. So instead of buying things, more things like sticky letters, which I do have quite a few, I thought this was just such a cool idea, and I just really loved the way that they looked. My next item is for the Lunar New Year. It is the Year of the Rabbit, starting on Sunday, January 22nd. And these are the Lucky Money envelopes. And I don't know if you can see it, but it has like these moving holographic designs in the background. It is very, very cool. Oops. Can you see them on this? Oh. There we go. There we go. Look down at the red. And these are all little rabbits doing Chinese New Year's things with bags of coins. This one's got a scroll. This one's got a red lantern. They all have that holographic imaging on them. This one's got little glasses and a little beanie on there. Got his orange. These must be cookies, but there's coins in there too. These are so super cute. Look at these guys. Oh, this one's got a dragon headdress on. Red lantern. Lucky red fish has got a carrot on his head because he's a bunny. Bunnies for the Lunar New Year. The pink one with flowers. A red dragon costume on with the lucky red fish. This looks like a mooncake because mooncakes have the duck egg in the middle. And this one looks like a mooncake too. This one looks like a lucky orange. The red fish, this one's winking. And this one's winking. There's a little blue one. Little headdress, that's my bird clock. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I plan on sending a few of these to the nieces and nephew. And maybe a few of these will go out in a happy mail too. Oh, this one's riding a dragon. Oh, I love this one. Little red lanterns. All right, so I have the organizer. I have the Lucky Money envelopes. But I also have something else for New Year's. And this is 50 pieces of die cuts. Oh, they're stickers. Okay, so these are stickers. Look at these cute little bunnies. They're like Kawaii bunnies. And they're adorable, adorable. Little fruit, little lucky money coin there. This one's got some fruit on his head. These are so cute. Got a little mooncake in his hand. This one's got a scarf. Oh, look at this, 2023. Ooh, I love it. I love it. On this one's painting a scroll. And there's a little one back here. Oh, these are super, super cute. I will link this below. And the New Year's things were on sale. I don't know what they cost today. Ah, look at this. Oh, these are so cute. I love these little bunnies. Oh, this one's got a heart. This is like a Valentine's one. This one's got lucky coins. Oh, this one's got a firecracker. Little scarf. Looks like a strawberry. Oh, this one's got dollar signs in his eyes. Oh, see, these are the Lucky Money envelopes over here. And this one, look at this one. Oh, it's a lantern. Oh, how pretty. And they got the symbols, got the lucky monies, got the coins, got the 2023 Happy New Year firecrackers. And these are stickers. These are super, super cute. I love these. What are they, like all different? Oh my gosh. Wow, this one's got a big carrot. These are super cute, and you get, oh, you get 50 pieces. Wow, 50 pieces in a set. This one you got, I think, 24 pieces in that. And next I got this Flower Celebration. Isn't that pretty? And these are, I think they're vellum stickers. You know me, anything that looks like a fern, I'm headed towards it. Yep. Oh, and there's a lot in here too. There's a lot in here, but this is what sold me right here. They're like photorealistic ferns on, I don't know if this is vellum or plastic, but they're supposed to be like stickers. Okay, so they are stickers. They peel off the plastic backing. And there's probably a whole bunch in here. Let's see. It's written in Chinese. Doesn't say in English how many pieces, but I will link this below. But there's beautiful flowers. Look at these, like white daisies or chrysanthemums. Oh, and this is like a leaf. Look at that. That looks so real. These are like dried roses. There's another leaf. And here's some more different ferns. Beautiful. They're like photorealistic. It's like putting pressed dried ferns and flowers into your journal. Oh, look at these little white flowers. How pretty. And a little pink one. These are gorgeous. More leaves, more flowers, and more ferns. All right, so there's a lot of pieces in that too. There's another rose, like a dried rose there. And the next thing I got are some die cuts. I got these heart die cuts, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, and I will run these through the die cutting machine and show you in just a minute. And I got this cute little elephant because we all love our elephants. Okay, what I'm going to do is run these through the die cutting machine and come back and show you what these look like. I just absolutely love these hearts. These are my favorite hearts. I love them. They're just like a scribble heart that you can die cut with all sorts of fun paper scraps. Now, I didn't take this apart. You can take this apart, and I probably will take my needle nose pliers, and they just snap right apart. Because I have lots of little pieces of paper, lots of scraps, and this was a little bit too big to put on some of them. So what I need to do is join in the hashtag, you know, Let's Die Cut Monday, or whatever day of the week it is. Yeah, and just make a bunch of these. I love them. I could put them in all my journals. And the elephant is so cute. He's got a little three-dimensional ear there. And if you look closely, focus, you can see the little faux stitching around the edge of the elephant. Love it. And you can change the heart to a balloon. If it was somebody's birthday, you could give them a balloon. Or if it's somebody you love, you can give them a heart. And that also has the faux stitching around it. And it comes with the string. So I just quickly made a tag to show you. The elephant, Sharon, the elephant. Okay, that is so cute. And these stickers are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Looks like a real piece of fern on that tag, doesn't it? It is gorgeous. So I just quickly made a few tags to demonstrate for you. And I did make a whole little pile here of things. I love these polka dotted elephants. Look at them. And these hearts. I love these hearts. Look at these hearts. I love the hearts. I love the hearts. And the one that has the swirly in the middle. This one. The little swirl that you punch out. Look, you can save that and put that on something too. Love it, love it, love it. I made some sparkly hearts with some glitter paper. Is that sparkling? Hard to get it to sparkle in the light. All right, so yeah, I will leave links below. So in case you're interested in any of this. And Temu also has an influencer program. And if you become a Temu influencer, you get to pick from a selected number of items, $50 worth. Yeah, and I will link that below too. Now this is not my influencer haul, but I'm still going to link these products because everything that I got today, I love, love, love. Prices are really good, and sometimes they have the specials for free shipping. Free shipping, yes. Thanks for coming along today. Bye-bye.